Hey Firsties, welcome back. We are on day 3 now. So for day 3, we are still gonna work on adding and subtracting 10 because that is a brand new skill, okay? So before we get into that, I have our number of the day. Make sure you have your piece of paper and pencil as always so you can follow along. And today's number of the day is 81. So this time, instead of telling Mrs. Gordon how many 10s or 1s are in the number, I want you to draw out your 10s and 1s for the number 81. Okay, go ahead and do that for Mrs. Gordon, please. All right, my friends, we're gonna go ahead and look at those pictures you've drawn. So let's look at our 10s place first. So what number does Mrs. Gordon have in the 10s place in the number 81? Right, I have 8 in my 10s place. So how many times does Miss Gordon need to draw? 8. So count with Miss Gordon, here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And how many 1s did I have in my 1s place? Just 1. So we're gonna just have our little lonely guy over here. So we made the number 81 today. Fabulous, fabulous job. So there's a couple problems I want to work on today. So let's start off with, let's do 30 plus 20. So we're going to add together 30 plus 20. So I'm going to give you a minute to work on this since you've done this yesterday. Draw a picture for 30. Draw a picture for 20. Put that together to get your final answer. I'm going to give you about 2 minutes. Go ahead. Okay, friends, I'm going to start helping out so we can solve this. Okay, let's look right at our 10s place here, which is our 3. So we have 3 10s in the number 30. So how many 10s does Miss Gordon need to draw over here? 3 10s. Count with Miss Gordon. 10, 20, 30. Okay, we're adding. That's so important to make sure you're looking at the symbol you're using. We are adding, which means we're putting more. So how much more are we adding over here? 20. So looking at our 10s place again, how many 10s does Miss Gordon need to draw? 10. I'm sorry, we need to draw 2 more 10s, right? So let's do that. Count with Miss Gordon. 10, 20. Here's the easy peasy part. You ready? Count up how many 10s you have now, and that is your answer. How cool is that? Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Did you get 50 as your answer? If you did, give yourself a big pat on the back. That is fabulous. 50 is our answer. Something I want to chat about real quick, and this is just pushing it. I want to stretch your brain. Let's look at it this way. So say Miss Gordon had 30 plus 20, and I showed you the problem like that. What do we notice here on our ones place? Our ones place has what in it? It has zeros. So 0 plus 0 is what? 0, right? Nothing plus nothing, you still get nothing. Now, if I have 3 10s and I add 2 10s, how many 10s did I get? 5. So 5 10s and 0 1s makes what number? 50. I hope that made sense, because that is eventually what you will be doing as you move on to 2nd grade. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek and see if you notice that as well. Let's do another problem for review here. Let's do a subtraction problem. How about we do the number 60, and we're going to subtract some number. Mrs. Gordon's not going to tell you. And you get an answer of 20. Ooh, spicy, okay. Can you draw your pictures to solve what my missing mystery number is? I'm gonna give you a couple minutes, go ahead. All right, you still have about 1 more minute, but if you're finished, this is the perfect time to double check your work. Make sure, did you draw 6 10s? Do you only have 2 10s left? That is your goal. Make sure you double check your work. About 1 more minute. All right, firsties, let's take a look at this problem. So, what is the first step Mrs. Gordon should do if she's going to solve this problem? What should I do first? Right, I'm gonna start with 60 and I'm gonna draw my 10s for it. Absolutely right. How many 10s does Miss Gordon have in the number 60? I have 6 10s. Let's draw those out together. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, make sure you're counting with Miss Gordon, 50, and 60. Beautiful job. Now I am subtracting, so I'm taking away some of my 10s here. Oh no. All I know is that however many I take away, I'll only have 20 left. Let's count here. I have 10. Let's write it out here. I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I only need to have 2 10s left to make 20. So let's see here. What if we started backwards? I have 60, I have 50, I have 40, I have 30, 20, and 10. So do I have 2 10s left now? Did I get that answer? I did. So how many did I cross off? I crossed off 4 10s. So if I have 4 10s, count with Miss Gordon, 10, 20, 30, 40. So that means 60 minus 40 gives me an answer of 20. Fabulous job, my friends. Okay, this will conclude our number review. So I hope this is making sense for you. I'm going to be looking at Seesaw. Please let me know. This is one of the trickiest skills you learn in the 1st grade. You guys are doing so great though. I love you. I miss you. I hope you have a wonderful day. All right, bye-bye.